Hello Odomates and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create and manage your chart of accounts in Odoo Accounting step by step. Let's begin by accessing the accounting module. From your Odoo dashboard, simply click on Accounting. If you don't see the accounting module, you may need to install it from the apps menu. Once you are inside the accounting module, go to the top menu and click on Configuration. Then select Chart of Accounts from the drop-down list. Now let's create a new account. Click the new button in the top left corner. Account code. Enter a numeric code, for example 101000. For account name, use something descriptive like cash in hand or main bank account. Account type. Choose a correct type, for example asset, liability, income or expense. Once all the fields are complete, click on Save button and add your new account to the list. You can also edit existing accounts by simply click on any row in your chart of accounts list. To create a similar account quickly, use the action menu and click on duplicate and adjust the fields as needed. And that's it. You have successfully created and managed your chart of accounts in Odoo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.